Does the Quiet Man use Irish language? Have you ever wondered about the language used in classic films like The Quiet Man? This film, directed by John Ford, is a beloved piece of Irish cinema. Set in the picturesque countryside of Ireland, it tells the story of an Irish-American boxer returning to his roots. While the film is primarily in English, it does include some elements of the Irish language, also known as Irish Gaelic. The use of Irish in The Quiet Man is limited but meaningful. It reflects the cultural heritage of Ireland, where Irish is recognized as an official language. This inclusion adds a layer of authenticity to the film, showcasing the linguistic traditions of the country. For anyone interested in Irish culture, understanding this aspect can enrich your appreciation of the film and its setting. Although the film does not heavily feature the Irish language, the moments it does are significant. They highlight the connection between the characters and their cultural background. This can be particularly interesting for travelers visiting Ireland, as it offers a glimpse into the local culture and traditions. If you plan to visit locations featured in The Quiet Man, such as Cong in County Mayo, you will find a charming village that embodies the spirit of the film. Walking through these settings can enhance your experience of Irish culture, especially if you have a passion for film history. In recent years, there have been efforts to dub The Quiet Man into Irish. This initiative aims to further integrate the film into Irish cultural heritage. Such projects show a growing interest in preserving and promoting the Irish language. This is not just within Ireland but also among international fans of the film. In summary, while The Quiet Man primarily uses English, the inclusion of the Irish language adds depth to its cultural representation. It serves as a reminder of the rich traditions that shape Irish identity. So, when you watch the film, pay attention to those moments of Irish language. They are small but meaningful pieces of a larger cultural story.